Welcome back guys to the Bagley Tech. In this video we will be installing Zenmap, the GUI tool of Nmap. For those who don't know what Nmap is a network scanning and vulnerability scanning tool designed to find vulnerabilities in network. So let's get started, but before proceeding to the download page and continuing tutorial, I wanted to let you guys know that this video is only for educational purpose and the scanning and everything is performed on my own network. Please do not perform any unauthorized scan on any network without consent, otherwise it will lead you to the trouble. Without further ado, let's get to begin. First, open any browser. I will use Chrome. Then in the search bar type nmap.org. I will provide link in the description. Once here, what you need to do is get to the Zenmap GUI. Alright. Go to the Nmap download page. From here, select Windows. From here, select Nmap 7.98 setup.exe. If anything like this pops up, download unverified file. Okay. It might take some time, so I will let you guys know once it's downloaded. So now as you can see, the the installation has been successfully completed. What you're going to do is click on this. I guess you can see my screen with it's going black because it's a smart screen protection by Windows. You will be seeing my screen soon. Just click on yes. Once here, click on I agree, click on next and click on install. This will install Zenmap in your PC. If this pops up, click on I agree and just install. Also, the Nmap and Zenmap both are pre-installed in Kali Linux. If you haven't watched my previous video in which I told you how to install Kali Linux on VMware, I suggest you guys to watch it and please tell me what should I make next. Also, if you don't want to watch video and just like want to get to how to install, I also made my blog site. From there you can find how to install Kali Linux step by step. I will also provide my blog site information in the description box along with the link. Alright, so it's completed. Click on next. Click on finish. Click on next. I don't want start menu folder, so I will uncheck it. Uncheck and desktop and finish. Alright, it's finished. Now you can see Nmap-Zenmap GUI in my desktop. Just click on it. It will launch it. So if we talk about like particular reason of creating Nmap or Zenmap, because Zenmap, as you can see here, is GUI full interface based. Meanwhile, in Nmap, you have to do CLI command line, which can be intense for some people sometimes. That's why Zenmap was created. Otherwise, both tools do the same work. Find uh, scan system, scan network, find open vulnerabilities, find open ports. Alright, that's enough. Alright, as you can see, the command has been already here. So what you're going to do is, in the target box, you are going to put your target IP. In my case, I will put mine, which is 192.168.29.1. This is my geo IP, servicer IP. Once done, click on scan, starting Nmap. As you can see, it discovered open ports here, which is HTTP, HTTPS, and 440 TCP protocol. It's doing its scan. Now it's doing service scan. This can take some time to complete service scan. It's now performed its stealth scan with 1000 ports total, and it's now initiating service scan. So I got let you guys know once it's done service scan. For now, I will pause the video right over here. Alright, as you can see, the scan has been completed. So let's look at it very carefully, and I will tell you what it is and how it is work, etc. etc. So first of all, as we come to the top, it discovered open ports, which was 443 TCP, 80 TCP, and TCP protocol. As you scroll down, you see the port number 80, which is TCP, is open and it's running HTTP service, and version is light to PhD. And if we go on to the web server, it's 443 TCP, port number is opened, it's running SSL slash HTTP service, version is light TPD. And yeah, as you can see here in my left side, it's also find out what it's using. So as you can see, it says reliance, and OS, it's stuck from Linux. So one thing is confirmed, it's running Linux. Now if we click on service tab, we can find it's HTTP and HTTP proxy, HTTP, all the scans the scan has discovered. Like for here, it's closed. The red means the search state is closed, and the green means it's open. Now let's go to the topology. uh, Let me just wait, sorry, I think we can't zoom it. Oh, sorry, it's closed. Oh shit. Okay, so leave it as that. we will perform another scan with another scan type. In profile you can find all types of scan. uh, it's intense scan, intense scan plus UDP, all TCP ports, ping scan, quick trace route, regular scan, slow scan, and comprehensive scan. So I will explain you some scans. In intensive scan, it like triggers an intense scan using all like trace routes, everything. Alright, and in the intense scan plus UDP, it finds all ports including UDP ports, intense scroll all TCP ports. In this it was all TCP ports. In ping intensive scan, no ping. What it will do, uh, it will perform all scan but without ping. Uh, this scan is here for a reason. Oh, sorry for that. Because some companies and have countermeasures to perform to let not let attacker perform scan by detecting ping, because the first thing the Nmap or Zenmap do is ping the target to see it's working or not. So no ping scan on intense no ping ensures that they doesn't ping the target to avoid its activating its countermeasure. Next we have ping scan, just as you know, to check if target is alive or not. Quick scan, when it scans all TCP and UDP ports quickly. Quick scan plus, same thing. Quick trace route. Trace route means the topology we have just seen of which closed earlier. What it do? Suppose I'm here. Alright, my service is Reliance and the target service is Linux or Reliance. So what it will do? It will create a trace that if my signal is coming from somewhere, how many other IP does it met or does it find? Like it's not going straight, it's meeting people. Like target is Linux, so my IP also met more Linux before him, or it's like subdomains IP. So yeah, that's what quick trace route do. Now in here in command prompt, we can also put our own command. For example, I will put my own command, nmap -p, alright, -p 1 to 100 minus t t4, oh sorry, t4 minus a and minus v. Sorry, it should be small. So I have put in my own command. So what it do? It tells Nmap to search for all ports from 1 to 100, minus T4 flag, minus A is also flag, minus V checks for version number. So let's perform the scan. I will put my IP address. Yeah, it already my IP address. So let's go. As you can see, it's doing the scan. As you can see, the scan has been completed. So what does it find? First, it found the MAC address, which is this. Warning OS results, because we could not find at least one port and one closed. So it couldn't find proper OS, but according to its guess, it's Linux, which is probably is. And we have network distance, which is 1 hop. Difficulty is equals to 257. ID IP all zeros, and trace route. And if we go to ports and host, it shows the TCP port is open, services running version is like PHP. And if we go on the topology again, let me show you. Let's see if we can zoom it. No, we can. So as you can see, if you can focus, it's my local host, and that is the target IP, which is 192. So it's, if suppose there's another IP in the line, it shows that there is another IP like subdomain. If you're performing a scan on a website, that then it also shows a subdomain. Then there will be another IP here. In my case, it was a router scan, so it can like show another subdomain anyways. So, and as for host details, as you can see, it's stuck, which means one thing is confirmed, it's Linux, running Linux. IPv, and you can see it says scanned 100 ports. It's running IPv4 192.168. IPv6 is not available. MAC address is this, and host name, which is Reliance. Operating system Linux 3.6 to 4.9. Accuracy is this. Ports used, OS class, ports ATP, port number this, protocol UDP, status closed, OS classes, uh, type general purpose Linux, accuracy 100%, and that's all right. So that's how you can perform a scan from Zenmap to identify target and vulnerabilities. I highly suggest again that you do not perform any kind of unauthorized scan that may lead you into trouble. Always perform scan on your own network for practice, or if you have consent, otherwise it can lead you into trouble. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy the video. So please like, share and subscribe, and also watch my uh, previous video in which I told you how to install Kali Linux on VMware. Also, I will put my blog site link in the description along with Nmap official website, so you can like read the blog and download it by yourself by reading in case you don't want to watch any video. I will also update the next blog about Zenmap installation so in few days, so don't worry about it. Please tell me in the comments how you like the video and what you want next in the video. Until then, take care, goodbye, and be safe.